Good evening, children. Welcome back to one more session of mathematics. The last session we completed statistics of ungrouped data of mean, median, and mode. Ungrouped data of mean, median, and mode. Today we will see the grouped data of mean. We will see today. Grouped data of mean. Children, here in the mean we have three types. Three types of calculations we have. In a grouped data mean we have three types. One is direct method, which we will call one more as a simple method, direct method. The second one is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. The third one is step deviation method. All the three are very easy. Just calculation, multiplication, and addition will be there. 99%. We'll see that one. The direct method, assumed mean method, and also step deviation method. We'll go with the first one, that is direct method. Okay, right. We'll see. We'll go with the group data of one question. Yes. Grouped data. Data of mean. Grouped data of mean. Okay. Find the mean of a data. We'll take the data. Actually, the question will be in horizontal box. Question will be horizontal box like this. Class interval, otherwise CI you write. F is nothing but frequency. Okay, grouped data in the sense the ungrouped data only observations will be there, data will be there. Grouped data in the nothing but within the some numbers, within the some period, within the some category. We will see that is grouped data. Okay, we'll go with the 0 to 10, 10 to 20 group. This is called group. That's it. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. We go with 3, any number. 12, 3, 7, 12, 6, 2. Let us take this question. 8, 10. Okay, fine. This one will take as question. Some creativity. Own question. This is. We'll go with. He will go like this. Find the mean of a data. Sometimes he will ask find the mean by suitable method. Suitable method means first of all you have to well known about direct method, assumed mean method, and a step deviation method. We will see first of all these three and how we will choose the which formula for the particular question. We will see at the end, that is. Now we will go the direct method of this one. Direct. Yes, solution. Solution starts here. Class interval. Frequency, yes. Now we required here one class mark. One class mark is required, which indicates with the X. Which indicates with X. Let us take this. I is nothing but imaginary. Imagine in this row. Imagine in this row. That is the way. F5 xi. And finally, fx or fi xi into f into x. Okay, we'll write here question that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. We take the frequency 3, 7, 12, 6 and 2. Okay, fine. This is the classical figures. We'll go with the direct method. See here also first of all, direct method of mean. Direct method of mean. The formula is sigma fx by sigma f naught. I is common for all. Imagine in this row. Imagine in this row. Imagine in this row. Okay, children. Sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma is nothing but summation. Sum of all observation. Sigma. Fx. F into x. F is frequency. X is class mark. X is the class mark is nothing but how to find out your class mark? The average of class. The average of class interval. This is class interval. This is class interval. 0 plus 10. 0 plus 10. How many observations? 2 observations. Divide by 2. 0 plus 10 is 10 by 2. That is nothing but 5. You will get 5 here. That's called class mark. Mid value. Class mark. Mid value. Next, imagine this I is not what imagine. Now take it 10 plus. It's a rough work now. You should not do that one actually. Just for sake of understanding of how to find out here the class mark. 10 plus 20 by 2. That is 30 by 2, which is called 15. This is 15. Okay, children. And what is the gap here? What is the gap? What is the gap here? The gap of class interval how much? 10, 10. 10 is the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gap is 10. Here also you will get gap is 10. All the time no need to do. Directly you can take the number 5 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 10, 45. Otherwise see 40 plus 50, 90. 90 by 2, also 40. What is the gap? The same gap here you will get, but if you will do this one correct, then only you will get these are all correct. Otherwise, and until you will get wrong. This is most important here. If you done this is suppose 3, let us you got it, then is the number 3. 3 plus 10 is 13. All you will get wrong. So try to do maximum like this 1, 2. If you will do the remaining, you can take directly. No issues. Okay, children. Yes. Once again, class mark. How to find a class mark? Average of this one. 0 plus 10 by 2. That is 10 by 2. Nothing but 5. Like the 20 plus 30, 50. 50 by 2 is 25. Like that you will get this one. And now here f into x. Now here f into x. What is f? This is f. What is x? This is f. In this we have to find 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Into this is nothing but into. 15 7s are 105. It's correct. 15 7s are 15 6 are 90. Yes. 15 6 are 90. 7s are 90 plus 15 105. 25 12s are 4 times belongs to 100 na. 25 4s are 100. 12 times is there. So okay. Otherwise do somewhere in a rough paper, rough book, in the same page downside. Try to do the rough work bottom of the page. Bottom of the page like this. Try to make it the rough work bottom of the page. Write down here rough. Do here some calculation. It is better. But this is very easy calculation. I hope that you won't get this rough work also. I hope that. Yes, if it is a required, better do it. If you will omit this one, that rough work also, it looks good. Presentation you have to give ultimately. That is the most important here, children. Yes. Now, what next? 35 6 are. 6 5s are how much? 30. 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21. Once again, 6 5s are 30, 3 left. 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21. 45 2s are 90. 45 2s are 90. Sigma fx is nothing but this is fx. You have to add what is sigma? Sigma indicates summation of all fx. You have to add this one. One more is sigma f. F is there. Sigma f. Nothing but you have to add 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 6, 28 plus 2, 30. This is 30. And sigma fx, add these all. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 left. Now 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1 left. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 720. Once again, 5 plus 5, 10. Because calculation is most important. If you will do the small mistake, it turns absolutely wrong all the solution. Only multiplication will be there maximum, 99%, and additions will be there. That's it. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 all 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 left, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Absolutely right. Now, here, try to take it here. Since sigma fx is equal to 720 semicolon, sigma f is equal to 30. First take out this values here. Now substitute directly here. What is sigma fx? 720. What is sigma f? 30. Get cancelled. Absolutely you have to do cancellation. Show the result in, if it is, you should not live with the fraction. You have to show the result in decimal. If it comes, otherwise integer it's okay. If the remainder 0, okay, fine. If the remainder you won't get 0, show the result in decimal of 1 decimal minimum it's required. If you will show 2, it's fine. Otherwise, minimum is 1 required. Yes, how many times 3 ones are 3 twos are. Otherwise, do like this. There are paper. 3 twos are 6. 1, 12 left. 3 how many times going? 3 fours are 12. Exactly, you got it. That is 24. Without any decimal. If decimal is required, 1 decimal is enough. If you will maintain the 2 decimal, okay. But it's a required minimum 1. If the remainder is non-zero. If the remainder is 0, see, you will get like this. Therefore, mean, you can write mean. Mean is equal to 24. Mean equal to 20. Okay, children, this is a simple method. Otherwise, we'll call direct method. This is. That is direct mean method is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. He will give f and class interval. Average of class interval. Average of class interval is class mark. Multiplication of these two called f into x. Because this is x, this is f. I is nothing but imagination of this row. Imagination of this row. That is called I. Imagine the particular row. Yes, 3 5s are 15, 7 into 15. Just multiply, you will get this one. Add this one and sigma f. Sum of the frequency, you do it. Just substitute and divide it. That's it. You no need to cancel 3 1s are 324. Just it's enough like this. No issues. It's clear now? This is maximum he will give like this for 2 marks or 1 mark. He won't give 4 marks. The 4 mark question he will give, same question he will give, but he will ask the question is find the mean by question he will ask. Find the, okay, I did not write here, find the mean of a data by direct method, make it this one. So same like that, another one, find the mean of data by assumed mean method. Assumed mean method will be there and a step deviation method. In this 2 4 mark question you will get it, not this one. If he will use this one for 1 or 2 marks he will give. 4 mark is assumed mean method, otherwise step deviation method. Now we will see the assumed mean method with the same question. What is the result? Remember result. The result is 24. 100% you will get again the result is 24. No changes you can see. So we'll take the same question and we'll go with the assumed mean method now. Assumed mean method. Yes. Find the mean of data by assumed mean method. Assumed mean method is the same. Yes, in this also it's required. X is required. There is no changes. And one more, that is one more column will be there. In that column, in the previously f into x we took. Here you will get that is d is equal to d nothing but deviation. Assumed mean method is one of the part. Deviation. D is nothing but we have a formula that is x minus a. X minus a. A is nothing but assumed mean. A is nothing but assumed mean. Xi means this is x na. In this is called, in this row this is called x. In this row 25 is called x. If you want to find out this row, x becomes here 45. A is standard. A is standard. A is called assumed mean. Assumed. How we will find that assumed mean? How we will find the A? Yes, let us. In A, what is A called? Assumed mean. Assumed. Let. We can take any number according to the problem. Assume means think. Just whatever. You can take any number, but the small conditions will be there. You can take that A is equal to in this only. Why? Because the calculation part you will get very easily. You can take A is equal to 5 standardly. Otherwise, you can take A is equal to 15 standardly. A is constant. You can take 25 is A. Because assume now, you can take any number from this class mark. From this class mark, take A is equal to any number, only one. Here, since A is equal to any number, you can take 5, you can take 15, 25, 30, you can take any number. And also one more it is there, that is, if you will take, what is the maximum value in the frequency? 12. What is the maximum value in the frequency? 12. In the straight, if you will take this one as A, the calculation is very easy, you will get. The calculation part you will get absolutely very easy. If you will take this one, A is equal to 25. A is equal to 25. You can take A is equal to 5 also. You can take A is equal to 45. You can take A is equal to 35. Your wish. But if you will take A is equal to 25, the calculation part will be reduced. The calculation part you will get absolutely very easy method you will get. Easy calculations you will get. That's what here you have to take. A is equal to where the maximum value in the frequency. The 12 is maximum value in the frequency. If you take this one as A, calculation part it will reduce very easy. So I am taking A is equal to 25. You also take like that only. Where the maximum values will be there in frequency in that straight row in class mark, take as A. Okay, children. Now A is equal to 25. Now yes, let's find out now here x minus A. What is x in this row? 5. 5 minus 25 nothing. 5 minus 25 how much? Minus 20. Minus 20. And next here x value becomes here minus 15. Sorry. 15. 15 minus 25 minus 10. 15 minus 25 minus 10. Here, x is 25, a also 25. 25 minus 25. 25 minus 25, 0. And 35 minus 25, x is 35, a is 25. 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus 25 is 20. So where you will get here, a is assumed mean, in that straight absolutely you will get 0. Remember. Wherever you will take that a is equal to some number, in that straight row d value becomes 0. Deviation will divide here 0. D is nothing but deviation. It divides absolutely. It will give the result 0. And here already you know what is the gap? 10, 10, 10. Here we will get negative tens. See 0, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. Like that it will goes. On the bottom side, plus 10, plus 20, plus 30, plus 40. You will get. If the class interval is ascending order, this is also you will get ascending order. See, this is ascending order. Minus 20, minus 10, 0, 0 after 10, 20, small to big number. This is also small to big, so that you will get small to big. If it is descending order, you will get here negatives and here positives you will get. This is most important. This is negative, this is positives you will get in a descending order. Okay, children. Now D. You got it, D. You got it, D. Now let us take the formula first of all. Since what is this? Assumed mean method. Assumed mean. What is that assumed mean? A plus sigma FD by sigma F. Is it okay, sir? A plus sigma FD by sigma F. This is the formula. Is it clear? A plus sigma FD by sigma F. You got it, A value. You got it, A value. That is 25. Sigma FD. FD is nothing but F is there, D is there. Previously, in a direct method, Fx we multiplied. Here FD you have to multiply. Take one more column. Take one more column. That is F into D. F into D. Yes, F into D. Now we have to multiply these two now. So 3 into minus 20 minus 60. 7 into minus 10 minus 70. 0 into something absolutely 0. 6 into 10 60. 2 into 20 40. 2 into 20 40. Yes, these two 3 20s are 7 10s are 12 zeros are 6 10s are 2 20s are. You have to what? You have to add. Sigma is nothing but this one. Sigma FD. So add negatives, add positives. This is plus 100, this is minus 130. Minus 130. Which is greater in this? 130 is greater or 100 is greater? 130 is greater. What is 130 sign? Minus. So take minus, and 130 minus 100 is 30. 130 minus 100 is 30. Here this is a big number, you will get minus. Because for big number, what sign it will be there? The same sign you will get here, 30. Add these two, add positives, add negatives, and subtract. It will be very easy. Don't calculate like this. Minus 60 minus 70 is minus 130. Minus 130 plus 60 is minus 70. You don't add like this. Minus 70 plus 40 is minus 30. Okay, but add positives, add negatives. Add positives, add negatives, so it will be. Okay, children? Yes, you got it, minus 30. What is that? Sigma FD. Sigma FD is equal to minus 30. Already you know that sigma F. What is sigma F? Sigma F is nothing but 30. Sigma F is nothing but 30. Already you know frequency. It's clear? Yes. Now substitute. What we done here extra? D column. This is D. D column we done. That is D formula is x minus a, deviation. X is nothing but class mark, A is nothing but assumed mean. Assumed mean you can take anywhere in class mark, but if you will take at the place of 25, because 12 is maximum in the frequency. 12 is maximum in the frequency. If you will take the straight row in a class mark as assumed mean, calculation part will be reduces very easy. That's it. Now, come on, substitute here. What is A? What is A? I'm doing here because the space is very less here. A, what is A? 25. Sigma FD value is minus 30. Here I written 30. So, okay, correct. Oh, yes, minus 30. And here, sigma F is 30. Sigma F is 30. Yes, now 25 plus into minus minus, it is get cancelled. So you got it here 1. Yes, sir? This is get cancelled. 30, 30, get cancelled. You got it here 1. Plus into minus, Rana, minus. Plus into minus is minus. So 31, sir, 31, sir. Try to avoid the cancel lines. Try to avoid. It looks good. That's it. So, okay, minus 1. 25 minus 1, how much? 24. 24. What you got it in the previously? What you got it in direct method? 24. Here also you got it? 24. No changes you can see in the methods. No changes you can see in the result. No changes you can see in the result. Methods will be different. That's it. And this is called assumed mean method. Nana. One is direct mean, F into X, class part, average of class interval is this one. F into X you will do Fx, F into X, previously direct method. Now assumed mean method, it increases one step, that is deviation, which is D. How? What is the D? X minus A is the formula. X is the nothing but this is X, this is X, this is X in a particular row. A is standard. A you can take 5 also. A you can take 45. But if you will take calculation, if you will take A is equal to 25, see how easy you got it, the cancellation. If you will take 45, see maybe here you will get here. You have to get, you know the answer already 24. Yes, no? That means if you will take here 45, how much you will get here? 45 minus 19 or something. No, 21. So you will get 21 here. That is very big calculation. 30 into 21, how many times? Calculation part will be increases. Calculation part will be increases. That's it. So that's what I took here A, because this is the maximum value. And just D you got it. Subtract X minus A, X is 5, A is 25, 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 0 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, like that it will goes. That depends upon here what is the gap, the same gap here you can see. Now F into D, F is there, D is there, multiply these two, you will get this one. Add negatives, add positives, and subtract these two, you will get that answer. Just these values substitute 1, 2, 3. Just the 3 values. Substitute and cancel it, and you will get this one. And this is called assumed mean method. Okay, children? Assumed mean method. If you get any more doubts, or again after this class, you will get the link again of this one in the YouTube. You can check this one by multiple times so that you can understand. If you will have any doubts, you can raise in the group. No issues. Once see this one, this is assumed mean method. Now we'll go with step deviation method. Now we'll go with step deviation with the same question again, because we know the answer. Because we know the answer 24, with the same question we will do, we'll go. And in this previously, I did not erase this one. Here, this one will be there. We have to take one more, that's it. So delete this one. Same as it is will be there. This is by step deviation method we will call. Third one is step deviation method. Third one is step deviation method. Find the mean of data by step deviation. Step deviation method. Yes, in this we require one more column. As it see class interval is required, he will ask some question. Find the mean of data by step deviation method. He will give these two, only these two he will do. Question. We require class mark. Class mark is required. How we will find out class mark? The same method. Average of class mark 0 plus 10 by 2. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Like that you will do. One more is D, x minus a. Just now I said. Same as it is step deviation means step, it will increase us one more step. That is mu. Mu is mu nothing but mu I. Otherwise, x minus a by h is the formula. X minus a by h. Otherwise, d by h also we can call. D by h. Okay, we'll write here d because already we know that d. H is nothing but what is h nana? D is nothing but okay fine. Deviation which we have here already. What is h? H is nothing but gap of a class interval. Gap of a class interval. Height of a class interval. Size of a class interval. Or length of a class interval. What is the length? 10. What is the gap? 10. What is the height? Height means 0 to 10 height, length, gap, that is 10. You have to divide by 10, that's it. You have to divide by 10. That means minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 by 10 is, what is that h? H is 10. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. 0 by 10 is 0. 10 by 10 is 1. 20 by 10 is 2. What we have to do? One more extra column you will get in step deviation method. In a direct method, these two columns you will give. One step will increase. That is x. That is x. Then after f into x we have to do. In assumed mean method, one more step will be increased, that is d. Next, f into d we have to do. In a step deviation method, one more column will be increased, that is mu. Mu is nothing but d by h. Here we have to do f into mu, that's it. F into mu. Fx we done direct method, fd we done assumed mean method, f into mu is step deviation method. You will get this calculation is dead easy than this. Yes, now f into mu na, this is f, this is mu. 3 2s are 6 minus 6. 7 1s are 7. 0 into something 0. 1 6 are 6. 2 2s are 4. See, single digits you got it. Very dead easy, simply calculation you can see only in step deviation method. In direct method, little big number you got it. 720 I hope. In a previously assumed method, you got it minus 30 something. Here you will get less than that. See, add this one minus 30. Add this one 14. Yes? Sorry. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. And 6 plus 7 minus 13. Okay. Here sigma, is it correct? 3 2s are 6, 7 1s are 7, 0, 6 1s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Yes, sigma f into mu. Sigma f into mu. Yes. How much, Rana? Minus 3. Minus 3 you got. Minus 3. In a first, 720. In a previously, minus 30. Here, minus, it reduces. Calculation will reduces It's very easy. You will get it. Step deviation method. Now we'll take the formula. The formula is mean. Also you can write directly mean. You can write, but step deviation formula we will take a plus sigma f into mu by sigma f into h is the formula. This is the formula. A plus sigma f into mu by sigma f into h. H is nothing but gap of class. Now we'll take this all values. Okay, A is equal to already 25 same. You can take A is equal to anywhere, but if you will take here, you will get easy calculation. That's 25. Yes. What is next here? Sigma f into mu. What is sigma f into mu? -3. What is next? Sigma f. What is sigma f? Since we know 30. What is h? 10. H gap. What is the height? Now substitute all values here. What is A? A is 25. Sigma f mu is -3. Sigma f is 30. H is 10. See, 0, 0 cancel. 3, 3 also get cancelled. You got it again. The same result. Arithmetic mean you can call. Mean you can write. Step deviation method you can write. Whatever. The answer is 24. Constant. It never changes. You can't see any change in the mean method, assumed method, step deviation method, direct method. Answer you cannot change, but you can change the type of method which is easiest one. The very easiest method is step deviation method, because you can see the single digits maximum. You can see the single. If it is double, it will be there. Suppose there you can see the very rarely you can see the double number. Very rarely you can see the double digit number. Absolutely you will get this one. Substitute and this. Okay children, once again mean method is only class mark you will get. F into x here you have to do. First method, direct method. F into x, frequency into class mark. Add the all sigma f. Till end of there is no change. In all the three, this one will be there. Only you will get the multiples of here. Fx you have to do first. In assumed method, d will increases. F into d we have to do. F into d. Adding the all and just calculation. In a step deviation method, one more column you will get, that is mu. That is nothing but d by h. D by h, d by h. H is nothing but what is the gap? What is the gap? That one you will get. This f into mu you have to do. You have to take one more column f into mu. Next step, you will get this one. And multiply that f into mu, add that one. Substitute that a is equal to, you got it, f mu. Added these all, sigma is nothing but summation, and sigma f is this one. H is nothing but what is the gap of the class interval. What is the gap? That one will be there. And this is called the group data of mean. Group data of mean, which you have direct method, assumed method, and a step deviation method. Okay, children. It's very easy, calculation. Now I will give the two questions as a homework. Upload to my number. Try to do everyone. Try to participate every member. I want to hear minimum 70 to 80 people this time, because it's very easy. The last time I saw that maximum only 20. It's not fair, it's not good. So try to do the solutions, everyone. Minimum I want 70 to 80 people. If it is little hard, once again check it out. It's very easy, only multiplication and addition it's required, maximum. Okay, children. Now we'll go with the homework. I will give two questions. Do that direct method, assumed method, and also step deviation method. Three methods I require. The answer will be same. The methods only will get little changes. So two questions, it becomes 6 questions it will become. Yes, because one is direct method, the second one is assumed method, the third one is step deviation method. 3 into 2, 6 questions it will get. So 2 questions I will do. Come on, take the notes and write down the question. Find the mean of a data by first one direct method, second one assumed mean method, third one step deviation method. In this first question is first class interval frequency 0 to 20, 20 to 40, gap is 20 nana here. The gap is 20, 80 to 100, 2, 3, 5, 7, 3. One of the question. Another question. Zero to 50, 50 to 100. What is the gap here? 50 is the gap you can see here. 50. Zero to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 100, 200 to 50, 250, 300. Now we can see 12, 17, 21, 29. I hope that 9 plus 10, 10 plus 17, 19. 17, 19. So 9, 10, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, fine. Small change I will do. Yes. Okay. They make it this one as 2. Okay, children. 1, 10, 11, 18, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now this is fine. It is very easy questions I given here. Very easy questions I given. And do these 2 problems into 3: direct method, assumed method, and step deviation method. 3 will take. We'll find out these 3. 3 into 2 problems, 6 methods. Sorry, 6 questions indirectly. So do it. Everyone try to participate in this very easy calculation, Anna. Try to participate and upload to my number. Thank you, and take a small 1-2 minutes. That's it. The Telugu sir will come and teach you. Thank you.